everyone, it's Dragana at Saacibo. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another episode of Easy Summer Crafting. I was tidying up my studio and I saw these. I totally forgot about them. I've uploaded this freebie earlier this month and I didn't get a chance to use it, and I really want to use it today because I absolutely love the colors. Perhaps you've already got it. If not, it's on my website. Same deal as always. Turn off the ads, click on the image you wish to download, save it to your computer, print it and use in your journals. Do not leave your details to anyone. I do not require any payments. It's totally free. And I thought I'll just start with this one. And I found this. It was some sort of eco print. I think it would be good for what I want to do. And on top of that, I'm going to use some of these specimens. I think most of these specimens are the ones I collected last year when I was on my travels. So they're not from around here. They are from the Croatian coastline. I think I've shown that flower in the Facebook group. I didn't know what it was. And later on I found out it's capers. What I want to make is something with this and with that on top and another layer behind. It's like a flippy tag thing. That's what I want to make. So I think I'm going to start by cutting these up. And see how they've got that there? I think I'm just going to cut it off like so. I'm going to start with this one. I printed this on sketchbook paper, which is 200 GSM, so it is a little thicker. And this should be fun to cut up. I'm going to try and distress it. Make it look really grungy. That's all right. Yeah, I totally forgot about this one. I wanted to do something and then I didn't. And I'm going to punch a hole here, like so. Ah, that looks nice. Let's grab another one. Let's take that one. That should be fun. I really want them to look distressed and old. Wrinkled. Gonna cut up that bit there. Only a few days left of this month, and although the summer doesn't end with the end of August, it still feels like it's the end of summer. Kids start school, people come back from their holidays, and yeah, basically I wanted to do this summer crafting now until the end of August. I'm just not ready to let the summer go away yet. Okay, I'm gonna go with the black. I usually go with brown, but I think I'm gonna go with black this time. I think I need to change this because it is falling apart. Just gonna put a new one. Ah, that's much better. Okay, let's do that. Now I'd like to have another layer, but I want that other layer to be a little bit bigger. And I want it to be uneven, so I'm going to just gonna cut it like this. And just make it like that. Okay. I guess I can have 3. And the same deal. I'm just going to just distress it like so. I'm going to do it a little bit on this side. And there. Yeah. Not the usual, but I really wanted to do it a bit more like a freehand, freestyle. And put a hole there. Oh, since I'm cutting it up, I might as well just do one more. I'm gonna cut one more. Let's ink that. I'm just thinking which one would look good on the blue. Maybe that one. This one would look good there. I need one that's going to stand out. Oh, that one. So I'm going to go with those. How should I cut them? Should I just go with the freestyle? Maybe I'll just use this as a guide. That's the whole idea, for them not to be perfect. Actually, far from perfect. Just like so. Oh, I love them. Okay, and then with this one, I'm going to turn it this way. Okay, do a little bit of a swirl. And the same with this one. Same deal. Just like that. I want them to be like ocean waves, unpredictable. Still need to ink those ones. I might go for something different than usual. I could go with the brown, but I really want to see this. Have a little bit of color. That looks good, doesn't it? So, doesn't always have to be brown or black. Yeah, I like that. So in that case, this one here might look good with this red. Oh, orange. Do I have orange? I have this orange. Yeah, it's showing. Let's take a look. Very nice. I like that. Now with this one, okay, I'm gonna go with the brown here. I'm just thinking whether I should stamp a little bit. Oh. I was gonna stamp a little bit of script or something, but perhaps just at the bottom here, I have that stamp. Let's try with brown ink first. And if we don't like it, we don't have to stamp the rest of them. But I like it. So I do want to stamp. Yeah. Cool. These specimens are totally different than what I normally do. And I definitely would like to use eyelets to hold them together. I have some of these, I've forgotten the name for them, but you know what I mean. They reinforce the opening there, reinforces or whatever. I have them in black and I've cut them out over the years with different pieces. But I think those black ones look good. I'm just thinking if I have an extra piece for this side. I don't want to go and cut anymore, but if I have them already cut, I might as well use them. I think I might have to use a little bit of glue before I add the eyelets because things might start moving. I'm just going to go around here, maybe top it. I'm not gonna glue that. Good. And then that. And then this. That looks all right, I guess. I can still move this. I am really happy with these, and I should ink this side. It's a bit too thick. I think I'm gonna go with just this. I'm super happy with that one. Okay, now we should probably do the same here. Add a tiny bit of glue. I think here we use the orange ink. Nice. Let's put that one together. Love that too. I think I'm gonna have just enough of this to make 3. Still have to do that one. Just gonna do the same thing. This is some sort of grass that was growing on the side of the path that we used to walk our dogs every morning. The place where we stayed had a nearby beach and dogs were allowed to swim there, so we always walked there. Every day I'd collect something, and I've noticed that grass is really beautiful, so I got some. That's where I found that capers bush. I've never seen them before in my life, and it's such a beautiful plant. I would love to grow it as an ornamental plant, actually. It's that beautiful. These Flippy tag specimens are probably my favorite specimens I've ever done. I don't know, maybe you don't like them, but I love them. Okay, that was so easy, wasn't it? And a lot of fun. Let's put them inside. Let's find a spot for them. You know what? These can be used as paper clips too. Look. I'm going to put them here. All 3 of them. Love them. Okay, I really hope you enjoyed this short crafting session with me. These gave me an idea of what I want to do in the next video. There will be one more video in this summer crafting serial. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you soon in the next one. Bye for now.